Hey everyone, G1 here. Welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. You can choose your organization if you want, or just skip it, and then give it a name. I'll keep the default settings as they are, and then wait for a little while. Once the project is created, make sure you select that project. Now, look beside the Google Cloud logo. You have to search for YouTube API. You'll see YouTube Data API v3. Click that, enable it, and then wait for it to open. At the top, you can see the Create Credentials button, or you can go to the Credentials section from the left panel. You have to configure the consent screen first. If you see an error here, don't worry. Just click the first link, head over to the branding section, and get started. Provide your app name. Let's go with YouTube Demo App. I'll choose my own email. Set the audience to external, and then move to the contact information. I'll put my email in again, agree to the terms, continue, and then click Create. Once the branding is created, you will be popped with a prompt to create OAuth client. Go ahead and create that OAuth client. And here, make sure to choose Web Application. I'll keep the name as Web Client 1. Then provide the URL where you want to have the JavaScript origin. But if you want to get a redirect from that authentication process and have the application redirected back to your app, fill that in, then click Create. Next, you will be generated with a client ID. You don't need that client ID for the moment, so you can ignore it. Go back to the YouTube Data API v3 section and click on Manage. There, in the Credentials tab, you should see the newly created Web Client 1. Now, you will also create an API key by clicking on the Create Credentials button again, and then choose YouTube Data API v3 for this specific API. This API is restricted to this service of the Google application. You can restrict it to a particular website, a particular IP address, or an Android app, but I will keep it as none for this time. And then click Create. And there you have it. You now have your YouTube API key. This is your key, which you can use for making API requests, and you can later edit anything if you want to change it. Keep in mind that this API key can be used for other services as well. You can check the quotas and system limits, such as how many queries per day or per minute you can perform, along with the different quotas provided by YouTube. You can also see all your requests in the metrics and traffic section, sorted by response code or errors by the API method. You're all set and ready to start building. I hope this makes the setup process a lot smoother for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more developer tips. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to build with the YouTube API. Thanks for watching.